Hey guys, Luke C here with TFBTV. We're back here at SHOT Show 2024, back here in Cesar's Forum with my good friend Paul Fletcher of Fletcher Rifle Works, the inventors of the OpenTop 1122. Now last year we checked out the OpenTop 1122 in its infancy, and this year we have a couple upgrades. And Paul, what are those upgrades?
Yeah, so this year we have the production model of the Takedown version. So it's still got all the great Takedown OpenTop 1122 that you're familiar with on the standard version, where you can take everything out the top. But this year it's with a takedown. So just like all the other Ruger 1022, you can take it down, fold it in half, and put it in a backpack, the Magpul backpacker stock. Super lightweight, super easy to clean, and yeah, everyone's super excited about it. Everyone's really loved it so far.
Yeah, and I've actually had this model. You guys sent me one of these to review for TFBTV a couple months back, and we've got a lot of questions when we announced it with TFBTV, or actually on the blog, and a lot of our viewers and readers wanted to know if there's a significant shift in the point of aim, point of impact, when either removing the dust or the rail, or removing the barrel and replacing it.
Right. Yeah, I think it just speaks to our CNC machining quality and also our barrel provider, but we found very little point of impact shift, whether it's removing the cover or the barrel itself. Yep. Both of those just machined super tight tolerances, and yeah, this worked really well.
Yeah, and I remember that was a massive criticism of actually putting the Picatinny rail as the removable part a while back, and there are a lot of people who doubted that you would have any decent amount of accuracy. And I think we were talking about it before. In my testing so far, I'm seeing about an inch or a half inch to an inch of shift, regardless of which one of those I removed. And this has been verified by a couple of other guys, like Top Shot Dustin. Shout out to him. I mean, he's a rimfire junkie just like I am, and we're seeing very little shift, which is amazing for a takedown. And
yeah, and it's also a survival rifle, right? So yeah. This is not your long range precision shooting. Weapon. We have the standard receiver that can do that. Yeah. This is much more portable, much more fun, and yeah, I just think the accuracy has been great for what it is.
Yeah, absolutely. And so let's go back over this here. We've got a couple different components. I know the regular Fletcher Rifle Works, the OpenTop 1122 receiver is of course made in-house, but you guys are also making a couple other parts and then getting some parts from other companies for this particular rifle.
Yeah, specifically with the Takedown, we had to do a little engineering and obviously machine all of our own, the Takedown assembly parts, all the 17-4 stainless you see here in the front, as well as the locking blocks that goes onto the barrel. And then we're getting our barrel from Bayer Barrels up in Puyallup, Washington.
Which I believe they're downstairs.
Yeah, they're down in the basement. Yeah, I love Clint. He does an awesome job. We do Pike Precision bolts and tandem cross charging handles, and then the Ruger BX trigger.
Yeah, and then of course, like Ruger BX trigger, probably best bang for your buck in terms of not even an aftermarket trigger. It's just an OEM upgrade.
Yeah, and we're going to start offering more upgrades when it comes to the trigger space as well. Okay. Powder River Precision has given us some samples, and we're going to start doing those as an upgrade option. Okay. As well as we're doing the Franklin Armory binary trigger, which we've been selling a lot of those just turnkey with full assembly rifles.
So I have SBR'd my original Fletcher Rifle Works 1122, and I have a binary trigger in that one, and it's an absolute riot to shoot.
Yeah, I've been really blown away by how many people have upgraded to get the binary, and I just think it's because it's so much fun. And that's the fun of 22 plinking is shoot a lot, shoot often, get it dirty, and with the open top, it makes it so much easier to clean.
Yeah, just take the parts out, blast them off, and you're good to go.
Right, yeah.
So these other aftermarket triggers, I've never heard of them before. So who are they? What's the draw to these type of triggers?
So basically, they have the guys are originally a tool maker. So all of the metal parts are really precision made, which we love. The housing is polymer, but it also comes with just your great aftermarket stuff here. So additional pull level for extraction. Okay. But the recoil is a little different. The reset is super short. The biggest thing is price point. A lot of these other aftermarket 1022s, triggers, no knock to them, but $350, $375. This one's around $200. Oh, okay. So for a much better price point, I think just to be able to upgrade, and the quality is really great.
And what kind of what weight trigger pour are we talking about on this one?
I believe this one's at 2.5.
2.5 pounds. Okay. Yeah. Is it adjustable?
I don't know a whole lot about it, so I just got these samples. I mean, you can try it out here. Okay. Kind of see what you think there.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, it's very crisp. Like I said, he just brought me these samples and wants me to check it out, but
Okay, so
we're
this
seriously
is-
considering it. Yeah.
Yeah, this is something that might be coming down the line.
Right.
Okay, for future iterations. Okay, cool. And you know, what else are you planning for the 1122? I know you guys have done a lot of different iterations. You've had the rail extended, shortened in some cases. We've had the couple of the pistol versions come out.
Yeah, so with the braces, the brace laws being kind of what they were, we kind of stopped doing any iteration design on the chassis. But we've seen with the new stay and all the things that sales are coming back on those Charger style pistols, the banana pistol, the Hall pistol. So I think we're gonna go back to the drawing board a little bit, maybe tweak some things on the chassis, get the pick rail a little higher, a little better ergonomics, maybe be able to allow for different AR grips with the back tang. So we're hoping that those laws continue to be in our favor and we can continue to push those. Yeah, so that's kind of our next goal. Obviously here at SHOT Show, we're really just showcasing the Takedown. Everyone's loving it. Yeah, and I just hope we get some more ideas and keep doing design by innovation and iteration and keep coming up great new things.
I love to see it. So, Paul, when can people pick these up and how much are they going to cost?
Yeah, so they're online now on our store. These retail for $9.95.
Okay.
We also have our regular match rifle, $8.75. And then you can buy assemblies, just a receiver. We're going to start adding more triggers, magazines, and just more accessories to the website as well.
Okay.
Just so that way you can keep coming back and finding great deals and high quality parts that we all
Kinda
enjoy.
Get all your parts in one place.
Right.
Got it. Cool. Well, Paul, thank you so much for updating us on the OpenTop 1122. Guys, thank you for stopping by to watch TFBTV and TFBTV Showtime. Stay tuned for more from SHOT Show 2024.
Thanks. Goober. I'm glad he's
That
feeling
goober.
better. He was down.
Actually, come here, Sebastian. Come here. Is it running still?
You're about to lose battery.
Is it running still?
It was on.
Quick, come here. Come here, Sebastian. Come here. All right. Guys, real quick here, just an addendum to the OpenTop 1122 video. This is the inventor of the OpenTop 1122. We talked to him last year, Sebastian Unger. Sebastian, what do you think of the new Takedown?
Fantastic. It's crazy what they are doing with the design, how far it's going. Fantastic. The feedback we are getting from the people here, I'm just impressed.
You're impressed?
Impressed and happy. It's
Did, when you first started the 1122, did you think it would get this big this fast? No?
not even close. It's going that far. It's unbelievable.
Cool. Well, thank you, Sebastian, so much. Thank you for coming to the US, and it's always good to see you.
Thank you very much.